This is the camera, and this is the function button. It has two of them. It's no clicking, but it's free to move. It's very shiny. You can see that. This is a ceramic body, they told. Small wrapper around the SIM card tray. You can see that. It can only be charged in this side only. This cannot charge. It won't attach. Not hold very strong. You can see that. Very nice. Easy to touch. You swipe here. It has 3 brightness options: low, mid, and high. Let's set to mid. 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. 4.2 millimeter. This is not touch screen.
You can see there are many different watch faces and many beautiful ones like this one. Some of them has date and day. Some of them has the battery indicator and footstep. I will choose the one that has the battery indicator. Let's find it. And like this one. This one. I like this one. So much more spaces. Very beautiful. Oh, spaceship.
Can charge this watch about 2 times per week, and it will survive if used as only a watch, as heart rate monitoring or watching YouTube. The range of exercise like 30 minutes will consume about 15%, or watching YouTube about 10 minutes will consume about 5% of the battery.
Hop squat. Hop squat. Go. 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 Up that go.
Nice graphic here. Let's see how it's performed. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nice job. Playable here. Oh, it can tilt. Oh, the accelerometer is working here. Please tap. Oh, it is playable too. Oh, almost got hit. Let's go. Oh, tapped a full dash. I think it's like tempo run. You swipe, you jump, you. Wow, it's feel like the old Sonic. Tap for what? Oh, tap to jump. Story mode. Tap to kill, so it should be okay. Let's see if it will work with the round screen. So where is the zombie? Here, you just tap it. So this game is very easy to use. It's a time killer. Oh, it's nearly reached my house. It's very easy. Maybe it comes so fast. It is a stock calculator. It will be add or not. This one. Result button. No. First, the most is the MSN money here. We will have the pin off. Let's try something. Shoo here. Let's see if it will still record it. When we turn on the screen again and you press it, you can see the timer is still running. So you press stop roll. And it is a file I had recorded. So it is definitely a spy camera if you want to use it. It is when the screen turn off. Nice, and use a crocodile. Here, Music Pro. Music. It is the interface of the stock music player. You can see it's easy to control here. This is how I put the video. You use the app called TubeMate. You download it from tubemate.net. It has some advertised, but you can see there is a little button here. And let me go on to YouTube. It will paste the video and bring the option to download the video. And you press the red button again. It will download the video for offline watching. This is the video I downloaded. So you can go offline with no internet connection and still have the video to watch. This is how I use the YouTube. Many interface here. You can rotate in any degree here. You can see that. It's called rotation control. You can see the red cast is gone and the photo is very usable here. The color is very punchy, but the weakness at the rims in the corner are still there. This is the newspaper. You can see the quality of the image. This is the A4 magazine. You can see in his face. The picture is more crisp and the white balance is very accurate. Even indoor, you can see the shoe on the shelf. The color is very punchy. You can see the number of the price of the shoe. You can see the number here.